Hi guys, today we are going to look into the latest Swonder stand-up pedal board pump as of spring 2024. Compared to older models, it has a huge advantage regarding the weight. It's super lightweight, but of course it doesn't have a battery inside, so it only works with a standard 12-volt carport adapter. But if you need inflation close to a car, or you have some other options for 12 volt, then there's no need to buy just another device with a large battery inside. And it's not only very lightweight, it's also very powerful, supposed to be able to inflate standard pedal board in only 6 minutes to 12 psi. Can be used for inflating, deflating, and of course not only for stand-up pedal boards but also for other devices. So sounds very interesting, so I'm going to show you what you get in the box and how you can use that. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. Model type is HT-737. Here specs with the voltage and very low weight. So let's open, see what we get. So of course we get the hose, and it comes also with a lot of adapters for standard SUP and a lot of other devices. Comes with 2 spare gaskets, instructions manual in German and English. And so here the device itself comes in with this nice carry handle, protection on top. Yeah, very beautiful device and definitely the most lightweight one I've ever had. Comes with 4 soft rubber feet for a safe stand. Most important here the specs, of course, with the maximum pressure, airflow, wattage and maximum noise in decibel. So with the 110 watts we should be good to go with a 10 amps fuse. That's of course very important to know, especially if you are not using your car, but maybe such a battery like here. Make sure that it has at least 10 amps at 12 volts. And then of course important to attach the hose on the right side. Here on the left side it says inflate, here on the right side says deflate, maybe a little bit difficult to see. Then we can attach the hose. I love these connections here, are very easy to use. And so we connect it to power. Yeah, beautiful display. What do you think? Default is 20 psi. We can switch between bar and psi. And then you can easily adjust the target with this plus and minus. For example, 10 psi. Then we attach the nozzle for the SUP or some other device. Just screw it here inside. Really nicely attached everything so we can't lose anything. And then of course attach it to the SUP and then we are ready to go. We can just press and then it will start and only stop then when the target psi or bar is reached. What I already noticed is that it's much more quiet than other SUP pumps. That's a great relief. And so let's go outside and see how this really performs in real life. Okay, and so here we are, ready to go. I have even a stopwatch. Pump is attached. SUP totally deflated. And so let's press the 2 buttons at the same time. And so of course first we have the low pressure inflation like always. And now we are at the end of the first inflation process. The SUP is fully inflated. And now it goes into the high pressure mode. And so we are approaching now the end. You can see it's close to 12 psi. You can see, of course, it took a little bit longer, a little bit more than 8 minutes, but maybe that's because I'm using such a small battery instead of the car battery. Maybe voltage is a little bit lower, but we are now at 12 psi. Definitely the fastest time I've ever seen to inflate my SUP. And now of course you will be ready to go. And so no matter if you are planning to use it or just to deflate it again, we have to remove the hose here on this side first. And of course for the deflation process we have to attach the hose here to this side. And then we can press the start button again. That's of course much faster and produces less noise, of course. By the way, the display is not flickering at all. That's just a problem with my camera. Display is absolutely awesome, super bright, steady, super easy to see. So based on the noise, we know now that we are at the end of the deflation process. So that's what we have to stop manually. We can hear also the fan here a little bit. So it has a really nice cooling fan here inside, preventing from overheating, also very important. So it has done a really good job. There was absolutely no problem. Love this thing, works absolutely perfect. And of course we can see that also in the time lapse here a little bit faster, much more impressive to see. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.